Hi guys, today I going to see how to set up normal mouse to programming mouse. See this result complete to set up. This video if your help, please like this video. You are new audience, please subscribe my channel. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much. Let's start. Go to a browser, search, click mouse download. Download link in video description. Download latest version. Download now. Open the download file. Close your browser. Click next. Click yes. Then click next. Then click next. Again click next. Next. Launch program. Finish. This program automatic open. Set your language. Then click OK. This software defaults some code. I make a new code. Delete default code. Click add a macro. Or type a description. Description is optional. Click macro triggers. Mouse button click. Select your mouse key. Click macro text. I have a macro code. This code automatic paste your clipboard text and press enter. Now file save. Test the macro. I press mouse middle key. Make a new macro. Click command. Apply some different code it. Then file save. It is work but add record mode. Record a new macro. Record now. This system work in keyboard and mouse movement and mouse click. All record depend your app make a code automatically. Then click stop. Yes. This code is automatically set. Save. Then save. Then file and save. Save. But I need a setup new key. Save. Test the macro. Special and test the macro. I hope this video help you set up programming mouse. If any problem, comment or contact my social link in video description. If you are need tech related video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching video.